Hi everyone and welcome. This is Selena Kraus and I'm back today with another card video showing you how to do glittered backgrounds using glitter in different colors. So I'm using the new Caterpillar Design stained glass cover die, and I'm applying some double-sided adhesive onto my cardstock panel, and then I will cut it using the stained glass cover die with the sticky side up, like facing the dies, because we're going to use that die, that side. Then because my the die cut through even the cardstock, I'm adhering another piece of backing paper. It's just regular printer paper with adhesive on it on the back, so I don't have all those pieces come out. So next what we'll do, we'll just remove the backing of the double-sided adhesive onto the parts, the smaller parts, and gonna leave the kind of the line image in. And after I'm done removing all those little parts, pieces from the backing of the adhesive, I'll put my panel onto scrap piece of paper, kind of burnish it up using the backing of the double-sided adhesive that I use. That's not adhesive anymore. So making sure that parts that I want to come out, they're sticking nicely to my cardstock panel. Then I applied some Nuvo sheer glitter. I use here the teal one. So I'm just putting the excess back in the bottle, putting that backing sheet again on top, and burnishing with my bone folder so that glitter sticks onto the adhesive and then doesn't come out even when you touch it. Next, I just removed excess with Swiffer dry cloths. So now I'm done with that layer. Next, I'm removing the second piece that comes out, kind of whole piece, like all those circle shapes, and I'm applying diamond glaze Nuvo sheer glitter or something like that. I'll have all the supplies listed in the description. So I made sure that all the other parts are covered, and I'm putting back the excess in the bottle. Again, burnishing with my bone folder so everything kind of sticks nicely. So just press that nicely so I don't have glitter as well come out later on. Just swiped it with the Swiffer cloth, just cutting the little excess adhesive edges on the sides. So with that, my panel is done. So next what I'll do, I'll die cut a circle of vellum. As well, I'll be using the smile die cut in the same way as I did the background. I'll cut the smile from cardstock that has adhesive on top. So I'm gonna cut with the adhesive side up. And then a little doily from Vellum. So here's my smile die. I'm removing the adhesive and I'm gonna apply some of the diamond Nuvo glitter on top, kind of to coordinate with my background. Putting the backing on, burnishing. So there we have that smile. There's my doily. And then the little dot for the, I'm looking for the little dot for the E here. The I, not the E. So I applied some glitter on top and that will go there. So here I decided that I didn't really like the doily, how it looks with that background, so I cut a circle. And I'm gonna position it. It fits right perfectly in that circle on my background. And I'm gonna adhere the smile die cut onto the vellum circle. I'm using multi-matte medium adhesive here. And then I'm putting acrylic block to hold it in place. Next, I'm using the Caterpillar Designs Premium White Cardstock. This is the note cards that are already pre-cut and scored. I just folded it. And I'm adhere my panel. Just applying adhesive directly to the note card, and then adhering that panel on top, kind of burnishing again. Make sure that no glitter comes out when I'm done with the card. And then I'm using here Vellum adhesive. I'll adhere the circle with the smile sentiment. Thanks for watching and see you soon in another video. Bye!